Today we're going to make a fox craft out of leaves. And the first step is to go outside and have fun and gather a bunch of leaves, like this. And because leaves are all different shapes, a fox could look like this, or a fox could look like this. So what I did is gathered a lot of leaves, and I picked some out to make my fox face. This is the fox face. And in our kit, we're going to give you some construction paper nose parts and ears. But I liked these leaves, and I'm going to make my fox's ears out of leaves too. And this stem might get in the way, so I'm going to take that off about here. And I'm going to glue it on my piece of paper. My leaves are a little bit crinkly. If you collect your leaves and put them on a piece of paper and put a book on top of them, that will help smooth them. That's how we made these leaves so smooth. So here is my fox face. Now I'm going to make some fox ears with these tiny leaves. And this is a wonderful time of year to go out and pick up leaves. They're all different shapes and all different colors. And it's wonderful to be outside, which is where we are right now, behind our temporary library building. You might see some people from the restaurants getting ready for the people that are going to come eat tonight. I've added 2 ears. Next, in the kit, we have some googly eyes for you and some construction paper circles that are going to be the background of the eyes. And the wind might blow away some of my leaves. It's pretty windy today. But Amy and I are pretty happy to be outside. And my small googly eye is giving me a few issues. Okay, there's the eyes. Now all I have to do is add a nose. And I brought a marker to draw some whiskers, because foxes have whiskers. Here comes the marker. Here's my fox. Just to review, here's some other foxes people made before. This fox, and this is a large maple leaf. Look at that fox. And in your kit, we'll have some ears cut out, and we can't wait to see what your foxes look like. Yay! Thank you, Amy.